Welcome to Trinity Alumni Online, an exclusive, password-protected, interactive website and mentoring service for Trinity alumni and students. To begin with, you need to complete a short registration form and assign yourself a username and password. Once registered, you will be brought to the online directory where you can update your profile and search for other alumni. The Profile tab allows you to add a photo, a short bio, your professional experience and work history, education details, and more. You can sync this profile with your LinkedIn profile for convenience. The Directory Search tab allows you to search for alumni by keywords and other specific information. When you find a person of interest, you can view their profile and send them a private message. The Mentoring tab is available to alumni and students. Student or alumni mentees can search for mentors by location, keywords, and other specific information. When you find a mentor of interest, you can view their mentor profile and the services they are offering as a mentor before sending them a mentor request. Here you can select the services you are most interested in from them. Once the mentor accepts your request, the Mentor Dashboard tab can help you to set up meetings and share information with your mentor. For more information on how to use Trinity Alumni Online, you can click the Help tab for guidelines and FAQs, or get in touch with the college directly.